rate of 14 pence per minute and will appear on any itemised bill.
It's worth it.
If you do not wish to continue, please end the call now.
No. 14 pence a minute. How do you feel about that, Mark?
Read it. They've come in.
Hello there, I'm looking for a locksmith.
Right, okay, not far from your property.
Yes, my door's locked and I can't get in, I've lost the keys.
What's the postcode there, please?
PA3
Okay, I can get something out to you. It's be within the next hour. Okay, so now...
Another, I've got to make the dinner for the kids. They can't wait an hour. They're actually sitting in the car with the heating on because it's cold, love. Could you get anybody out quicker than the hour?
It would be within the hour. That's the only time I can give you at the moment.
And how much are you per hour for the doors, you know? How much does it cost for you to actually bit my door down and get me in to get my dinner made? I want to make quiche for the kids.
It's an hourly labour charge, £165.
£160, you can bloody shove it.